This is the SOG Blink Assisted Lockback Folding Knife. It comes in a grayish aluminum scales. There's your lock back. It is assisted opening. There's your safety lock. It has a reversible money clip. That's right, it's also a money clip. Thumb stud opening, very snappy. It is assisted. The steel is made out of AUS 8. It has that satin finish. Just a beautiful little knife, a great everyday carry. This is made in USA. This is in my collection of SOG knives. This is the SOG Blink Assisted Lockback Folding Knife. SOG out.